Today we are gonna be protesting against dictator and autocratic regime in Turkmenistan. With my brave friends, this flag has became a symbol of a dictatorship, and it's not represents our culture and neutral status. We don't respect the flag of a country that killing its own people and not letting them speak about the truth. This is a civil protest against the dictator regime. It's not an extremism, it's cry for the justice. I will trample this flag as a sign of freedom for our activists Alisa Sarkatov, Abdullah Orasov and Murat Dushmov who have disappeared, who have been stolen by Berdimuhamedov's regime. We want an information about our disappeared activists, who were stolen by Berdimuhamedov regime. Berdimuhamedov, you destroyed our country. You destroyed thousands lives of our people's families. You stole our country from us. You don't care about our citizens. You're not our president, we didn't choose you. And that's why we're gonna trample this flag.